let's do a quick comparison between the Nutribullet Ultra and the Nutribullet Smartsense. In this video, I will break down the differences, including how loud they are. Let's go. Now, the Nutribullet Ultra only comes with smoothie cups. It comes with a couple cups with lids, and it has these really nice blades, easy to twist in. They just pop on the lid, twist it in, and then the buttons will show up, and then you can blend. Really nice and simple. The Nutribullet Smartsense has the exact same cups and blades. It's all interchangeable, which I cannot tell you how fantastic that is, that I can use the same on both. And then the Nutribullet Smartsense also comes with a full pitcher with its own custom blade. And it's a really, really nice pitcher. Right now it has a lot of precipitation on it because I was just blending ice with it. It works beautifully, and you really do just lock it into place and you're good to go. Now, when it comes to how loud these are, the Nutribullet Ultra only has one power mode. You either can turn it on or you can pulse, but that's all you have with this. And when it runs, it will run for 90 seconds unless you come back and turn it off. Whereas the Nutribullet Smartsense actually has a few modes going on. You have the auto mode, and if you press auto, it will automatically blend based on what it's sensing, which is insane. I am making the best blends I have ever made thanks to this mode, because it will switch between high and low speeds and pulsing to get everything inside the container blended smoothly. It's really impressive, and it will turn off on its own. But if you want to use manual mode, you actually have 5 speeds. You can go from 1 all the way up to 5. So it's going to get a lot louder depending on what speed I run it on. And then on manual mode, I can have it run constantly, or I can pulse. Now, to start off with, I just want to show you what these each do best. So I'm just going to turn this one on as is and have this one do its auto mode. Let's go. Now that's where this one decided to stop. It completely blended all the ice, as there's no more ice in there. It's now just really cold water. Whereas this one's more of a slushy. I can keep blending this one and it will keep blending that ice, obviously, but that is fascinating. This one did take a little longer because it was sensing, but not that much longer. Now let's test the sound, and I'm gonna test the sound where the camera is, as no one is putting their head next to the blender. And the camera is almost 2 feet away, so it's still pretty close. So now I'll run Smartsense. I'm gonna have it run at level 1 first, and then I'll check it at level 5. Level 5. So the Smartsense definitely gets louder. These are both higher decibel blenders than some of the other ones I've tested, but they also do a better job than any of the other blenders I've tested. I highly recommend either one. If I was only getting one blender, I would get this one, but since I have both of these, I actually use this one daily for my smoothies, and I only pull this one out when I'm cooking, mostly just because I keep it in my cupboard, and this one's just a smaller and easier size to move around. But if I had it on my countertop, I would go with this one all the way. I love the Nutribullet blenders. I think they're all incredible, and the fact that these two have interchangeable parts is amazing. I highly recommend these, and I hope this video helped you make a decision.